Good morning. It is the morning of probably the biggest show I'm going to ever record. I will be on Jimmy McGill's here in 3 hours. Really excited. And we're going to talk about prison. We're going to talk about recovery. We're going to talk about getting your life together. And I want to speak to you men. You men of rebellion. You men of strife and toil. You men that ask if God be here. The hardest version of you that you can create is to be a masculine man that grabs the hammer by the fucking handle and swings it every day for not what they think, for not what society tells you, for not the people that want you to put your shirt on, but for what is inside of you, right? See, my version of recovery, you can find pieces of it in the book. My version of recovery, you can catch in some meeting halls, but my version of fucking recovery is written right fucking here in my heart. It's what I live by. I know that I cannot shoot fucking methamphetamines. I lose everything. And this morning, one of my dear friends, I love him to death, called me and he said, "Don't you go back to that shit." And I reminded him, I got too much to lose. I've come too far. See, when you put in the work, when you bust your nuts, when you have your head kicked in, when you start dealing with problems and losing and failure and winning and failure and overcoming, listen, the last thing that you want is to get high. Because it is not a matter of sex. It is not a matter of power. It is not a matter of being accepted. It is a matter of heart, motherfucker. It comes from inside. You're like, I've got to be more. I got to come out of this fucking valley. Ruh, ruh, ruh. I'm the dog in the valley, right? And it's the dog coming up the hill that's the most hungriest son of a bitch that there is. That's the one they're afraid of. Believe me. You can hear coyotes. Yep, 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 yep. But when you hear that one motherfucker coming up the hill, you know, you better get your gun. You better get right. And I want to champion you young men that are looking at the syringe this morning or carrying your little shit in your pocket, got your 2 or 3 dope pours, got your little plot to go to Walmart, steal some shit, that you're weak motherfuckers. Right? You're bitches. But I was once that weak bitch too. No more. See, I got problems. I got perils. I got situations. But the one thing I don't have is a fucking meth problem. Hallelujah. And the reason I don't have a meth problem is because I took a little bit of this and a little bit of that and I wrote it across my heart. And then get this, I asked God, God, will you sear my heart? Boom! Like that. Hallelujah. Boom! Hallelujah. Boom! The spirit of man, the spirit of God, the spirit of a warrior invested in me. And I want to touch you with that this morning. Claim it. Make them pay. Punish these motherfuckers with your success and be the best version of you and live in rebellion against evil. God bless you. I love you. Fluid English.